When selecting the best electric bike possible to suit your needs, everyone believes that you must break the bank doing so. The better the design and capabilities usually mean a higher price range, as everyone may think, but that's not always the case. Today in Electric Bike Paradise, we are giving you our new top 10 electric bikes, with just the best specifications you can get for under $1,000 this 2022. But before we start, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell to get notified with more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get onto it. 10. The Ecotric Fat Tire Electric Bike. First, on our list, the Ecotric Fat Tire electric bike has been a favorite of many because of its practicality and everyday use. With its 6061 aluminum frame and a tested rear hub design, this well-rounded electric bike houses a highly capable 36-volt 500-watt brushless DC hub motor, a reliable 12-amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, spoke 26-inch rims with 4-inch anti-skid fat tires, mechanical Tektro 160mm disc brakes, and a Shimano Acera 7-speed transmission with a thumb shifter. It also exhibits a twist throttle and pedal assist, directed by a cadence sensor, allowing it to run at a speed of 19 and up to 20 miles an hour with less effort. It can also cover a range of 30 miles in a single charge, giving you plenty of runtime duration for more than a day. The Ecotric Fat Tire electric bike's capabilities are on par with most premium electric bikes out there, and you can own one for just $999.99. 9. Gotrax Alpha XL. Up next, the Gotrax Alpha XL is an ideal bike for beginners and comes with a classic road bike frame, built in aluminum alloy, that makes it easy to ride. It is a lightweight and no-frills electric bike that is straightforward to use and has no complicated parts. On top of that, it sports a 350-watt electric motor, a 7.5 amp-hour battery pack hidden within the lower tube frame, a front fork suspension, a sleek and sporty saddle, and sizable 29-inch rims and tires. It also has a set of front and rear mechanical disc brakes for excellent and reliable stopping power. This handsome and eye-catching electric bike is designed for urban areas and helps you get around congested streets with less effort. This simple and reliable ride can be yours for only $999. 8. Nacto Mini Cruiser Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. The Nacto Mini Cruiser version is redesigned with a foldable single-tube steel frame, making it more compact and portable than its predecessor. In addition, it has premium components suited for challenging environments, including throttle and paw, a set of 20-inch spoked rims, EFT premium fat tires, and Zoom hydraulic brakes. All of these give it the same or even better performance when compared to more expensive electric bikes for off-road riding. This electric city bike has a top speed of 35 km per hour and a maximum of 60 km. Lightweight and suited for daily commuting, this e-bike can bring more than what you're asking for and can be yours for only $999.99. 7. Qualsports Nemo. The Nemo presents practicality and good performance, showcasing a mini folding frame exhibiting unequaled maneuverability on pavements and dirt paths. This compact electric bike comes with an electric drivetrain that can travel uphill and against the wind. It features a 36-volt 250-watt brushless front DC motor and a backseat integrated Samsung 36-volt lithium-ion 7-amp-hour battery pack, allowing it to travel a range of 30 miles with pedal assist and a charge time of only 3 hours. It also comes with 16-inch aluminum rims and large 160mm disc brakes, making the Nemo a perfect ride for everyday commuting. You can own this ride for an affordable price of $999.99. 6. Gotrax Emerge. Number 6. Ideal for beginners, the Gotrax Emerge is an affordable bike that comes with a classic road bike frame that makes it easy to ride. It sports MTB-inspired features such as a front fork suspension, a sleek and sporty saddle, and 26-inch rims. Equipped with sizable 26-inch tires with shock-absorbing, wear-resistant tires, and a set of front and rear mechanical disc brake, it can perform adequately on hard and dirt surfaces. The Emerge comes with a 250-watt electric motor that gives this lightweight bike good acceleration and speed operated using both throttle and pedal assist. It is also powered by a 36-volt 7.5 amp-hour battery pack located inside the lower tube frame, giving it a range of 27.9 miles on a single charge. Specifically made for urban environment, the Gotrax Emerge is a top choice for only $899.99. 5. Aostirmotor A20. Number 5, the A20 offers compactability and excellent on- and off-road riding performance with its 4-inch thick fat tires and its durable O-step folding frame and 6061 aluminum alloy frame. The Aostirmotor A20 has a 36-volt, 500-watt brushless motor, giving this compact bike a respectable speed of 24.8 miles per hour. It has a single charge rate of 15.5 miles with pure throttle and 21.7 miles with pedal assist, powered by its sizable 13 amp-hour lithium battery power pack that can also be removed. The A20 features a twist throttle and 5-level pedal assist, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, 20-inch alloy rims giving it a sporty look. On top of everything, this electric bike is at number 29 in the list of best-selling electric bikes and can be acquired with a low price of $899.99. 4. Samebike MY-SM26. The Samebike MY-SM26 is an electric mountain bike with good quality components and features for a very low price. This model comes with a highly capable 500-watt brushless motor, 13 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, and 26 inches Chaoyang fat tires. It can run up to 20 to 25 miles per hour and cover a distance of beyond 52 miles in a single charge, making this e-bike suited for long-distance travel as well. It also comes with a Shimano 21-speed gear system, an adjustable suspension fork, a backlight illuminated LCD display with USB, LED headlight and rear reflector, full fenders, aluminum alloy crank, and wheel rim set. Having all the necessary components for a very affordable price of $999, the Samebike MY-SM26 is an electric bike worth having. 3. Gotrax Wheelie BX5. The Gotrax Wheelie BX5 is a lightweight and foldable electric bike for anyone who wants a compact ride for daily commuting. This mini compact folding bike comes with a twist throttle and a 1-level pedal assist and is powered by a 250-watt brushless hub motor capable of running at a top speed of 15 miles per hour. It also comes with a removable 6 amp-hour battery pack with a single charge range of 15 to 18 miles. This folding bike is equipped with a set of front and back mechanical disc brakes and air-filled 12-inch tires, giving it just what it needs to get through your everyday commuting. Even with its components in place, the EBX5 only weighs 45 pounds overall, making it a very portable e-bike to own for only $599. 2. Fiido D3 Pro. The Fiido D3 Pro sports a minimalist aesthetic design with its simple and smooth lines. Equipped with a sizable 52-tooth chain disc, a 12-tooth rear flywheel, and electric-assisted 3-speed transmission, the Fiido D3 provides a perfect balance of looks and efficiency. It sports a brushless gear 250-watt motor powered by a 7.8 amp-hour battery pack, allowing it to accelerate at a top speed of 25 km per hour. It ranges 60 kilometers on a single charge and has an estimated charging time of 5 hours, making it an ideal electric bike for quick short trips around your community. What's great about this electric bike is its 3 mode options, namely the electric, moped, and pedal modes, giving you multiple options to save up battery life and get to your destination with less effort possible. This cool-looking electric bike can be yours for only an affordable price of $599. 1. Ecotric Vortex. The Ecotric Vortex has maintained its popularity among electric bike enthusiasts because of its reliability and user-friendliness, whether you are a beginner or a pro. The Ecotric Vortex is a stylish ride featuring a modern MTB frame. It houses a robust 36-volt, 350-watt DC hub motor sitting inside the rear wheel and can ride fast on the pavement and has a top speed of 20 miles per hour. It has a range of around 16 miles powered by its 12.5 amp-hour battery pack, and it features both a twist throttle and 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing faster and effortless trips at the same time. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano Tourney front and rear disc brakes, 26-inch spoke trims. Proven and tested reliably by most owners, you can never go wrong choosing the Vortex for only $699.99. Now there you have it for our list of best electric bikes under $1,000 you can get this 2022. Comment down below what video you want to see next. You can check the complete list down below, or you can visit us at electricbikeparadise.com for more products and anything electric bike related. You can also contact our customer service team at 800-590-2738. As always, we ensure you the best quality and standard for the lowest price.